Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove Alternator VW Beetle. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing the air filter housing if needed. Loosen the belt tensioner and slide the belt off the alternator pulley carefully. Unbolt the alternator main mounting bolts and electrical connections, keeping parts organized. Lift the alternator out with steady motion and inspect the bracket for damage before installing a replacement unit. Approach the alternator with gloves and a flashlight for visibility and safety. Use a breaker bar to ease the belt tensioner and move the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley slowly. Disconnect electrical plugs and label wires to simplify reinstallation. Remove the lower than upper mounting bolts while supporting the alternator by hand. Carefully tilt and lift the alternator free, avoiding wiring harnesses and coolant lines that might snag during removal. Listen for grinding or whining as a sign of bearing failure and inspect for oil contamination around the alternator. Check terminal corrosion on the battery and alternator and clean contacts with a wire brush if needed. Verify mounting hardware integrity and replace any stripped bolts to maintain alignment. Test the alternator output if you have a multimeter and confirm it produces proper voltage before reinstalling to avoid repeat removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.